Hello my healthy friends, welcome back to Maxine's Corner. Today I am making some delicious chicken noodle soup. Yes, if you're new to the channel, welcome. You are gonna love this recipe. It is simple and easy. We're gonna start off with some celery. I'm gonna chop these up. I'm gonna show you everything that I'm gonna be chopping up, and depends on how much you're making, you'll see everything that I'll be using for this recipe. So the way I will do my celeries, I'll just cut it down the middle. Be careful, don't cut your hands, right? Watch, see this? Just like that, all the way down. And depends on how small you want it. And I'm gonna do that to the rest of them, and then I'll be back. Next, I have one onion. I'm just gonna chop this up first, like that. Okay, so my onions all chopped, and it's roughly chopped. Here's our potatoes, and I have 2 squash. I'm about to cut that up. I'm also going to use some chicken and some pasta. So let's bring this over to the stove top, and you'll see what I'm using as I put it inside of the pot. Now I'm gonna cut up my potatoes. Okay, so here I have my bone broth. I'll be using the Kettleandfire bone broth. What I love about them is that it's packed full of nutrients, and everything is made with organic free-range chicken bones. So that's absolutely delicious. I will leave a link for you guys where you can purchase this, and you can also get 20% off using my code Maxine's Corner. Okay. This is going to be about 4 cups. Actually, it will be 4 cups. To my pan, I will add some olive oil, and it's about a teaspoon. And then I will add my onions and my celery that I chopped. I will just add my seasoning. I have some garlic powder, some onion powder, and some adobo. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. It is absolutely free. We are making some delicious chicken noodle soup. So I'm gonna let that get a little bit more translucent, and then I'll add some more stuff to it. Add my potatoes, squash. I had some yucca roots or yucca roots. I'm not sure how you would say it, but that's what we call it. I will add my broth, my bone broth. Okay, so I'll add about 2 cups of water to this. So now I will add some peas, some frozen peas, and some frozen carrots. This is a simple and easy recipe, guys, and hearty. Then I will add my pasta. You can add any type of pasta that you like. It's pretty much up to you. And you want to cook it al dente. And I will add the chicken in at the last minute. And you don't need the chicken. If you're someone that you don't eat meat, you can leave it just like that. And once the pasta is cooked, everything is good. I'm going to add some more adobo. Alright, so I have my pasta. So I'm gonna let this simmer on low heat for 10 minutes. And then I'll be back. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's free. Alright, my healthy people, so I will have half of my shredded chicken. Put some of the bones in there, as you may see. Delicious. Low heat, 10 minutes, and then it's ready. Ooh! Yes! Look at this deliciousness, guys. Woo! It is done, and it's ready, and let's plate it out. Okay, my healthy people, that is it. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Enjoy this delicious soup. make it and share it with a friend. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well at Maxine's Corner. I will leave everything that you need for this recipe in the description box. And say it with me, stay healthy.